Welcome everyone to the AI Waves channel. I'm your host Morris, and today we're exploring the exciting world of 3D printed furniture and how AI is transforming the way we design and create decor for our homes. If you're interested in the latest trends in interior design and want to discover how artificial intelligence is making custom, stylish furniture more accessible than ever, then you're in the right place. Don't forget to hit that like button. Subscribe to our channel and leave a comment below sharing your thoughts or experiences with 3D printed furniture. Let's dive in. Have you ever wondered how AI and 3D printing could revolutionize the furniture industry? Welcome to a world where the line between imagination and reality blurs, a world where you could design and print your own unique furniture pieces, perfectly tailored to your space and style preferences. This is the power of 3D printed furniture, and with the help of AI, it's becoming a reality for more and more people. The concept of 3D printed furniture isn't new, but the integration of artificial intelligence is truly a game changer. Imagine an AI system that takes in your room dimensions, design preferences, and functional requirements, and then generates a range of 3D printable furniture options for you to choose from. No more settling for generic mass-produced pieces that don't quite fit your space or style. With AI-designed 3D printed furniture, you can have decor that's uniquely yours. But the potential of AI in interior design isn't limited to just customization. It's also about making stylish furniture more accessible. Once the domain of specialized designers and manufacturers, the process of creating custom furniture could soon be democratized. With AI-powered design tools, anyone could become a furniture designer, creating pieces that reflect their personal style and meet their specific needs. Moreover, AI and 3D printing could also transform the way we think about sustainability in the furniture industry. Instead of mass-producing furniture in factories and shipping it around the world, we could move towards on-demand, localized production, reducing waste and carbon emissions. Plus, with the potential to use recyclable or biodegradable materials in 3D printing, we could further minimize the environmental impact. From the perfect dining table to the most comfortable sofa, imagine furniture that fits your life just right. It's not just about creating furniture, it's about creating a home that truly reflects who you are. And with AI and 3D printing, this could be more achievable than ever before. So if you're intrigued by the idea of having unique furniture pieces designed by AI and printed right at home, stick around as we delve into this fascinating subject. We're just scratching the surface of this revolutionary blend of technology and design. So let's dive in. Let's start by understanding what AI and 3D printing are bringing to the furniture industry. When you think of 3D printing, you might imagine small plastic trinkets or perhaps a prototype model. But the scope of 3D printing is expanding, and it's reshaping industries, including furniture design. Imagine crafting your own unique furniture tailored to your personal style and space right from your living room. That's the power of 3D printed furniture. But where does artificial intelligence fit into this picture? AI is the secret ingredient that's making custom, stylish, and accessible furniture a reality for everyone. It's transforming the way we design and create decor for our homes. One company spearheading this revolution is OpenAI. They've developed AI-powered design tools that simplify the creation of custom furniture. Here's how it works. Input your room dimensions, design preferences, and functional requirements. The AI then generates a range of 3D printable furniture options for you to choose from. No more settling for generic, mass-produced pieces that don't quite fit your space or style. With AI-designed 3D printed furniture, you can have decor that's uniquely yours. But the benefits of 3D printed furniture go beyond customization. It's also revolutionizing how furniture is manufactured. Traditional methods involve mass production in factories and worldwide shipping, which can be wasteful and environmentally unfriendly. In contrast, 3D printing allows for on-demand, localized production, significantly reducing waste and carbon emissions. Plus, many 3D printing materials are recyclable or biodegradable, further minimizing the environmental impact. So AI and 3D printing are not just changing the way furniture is designed, but also how it's manufactured. This intersection of technology and creativity is opening up a world of possibilities, making it an exciting time to be a tech enthusiast, a furniture designer, or anyone who appreciates the power of innovation. But the advantages of 3D printed furniture don't stop at customization. The sustainability factor is a game changer in this field. When we look at traditional mass production methods, we see a lot of waste, not to mention the carbon footprint left behind by shipping these goods globally. In contrast, 3D printed furniture offers a more eco-friendly approach. The beauty of 3D printing is that it is a form of additive manufacturing. This means that materials are only used where they are needed, significantly reducing waste. Plus, it allows for localized production. Rather than manufacturing a piece of furniture halfway across the world and shipping it to its destination, you can print it right where it's needed. This cuts down on carbon emissions and makes the whole process more sustainable. But the sustainability of 3D printed furniture doesn't stop there. Many of the materials used in 3D printing are recyclable or biodegradable. This means that when a piece of furniture reaches the end of its life, it doesn't have to end up in a landfill. Instead, it can be broken down and turned into something new, contributing to a circular economy. One company that's truly embracing sustainability in 3D printed furniture is Forust. They're using recycled wood waste to 3D print wood-like furniture. This process not only repurposes materials that would otherwise be wasted, but it also results in beautiful, durable furniture that rivals traditional wood pieces. Forust's approach is a perfect example of how 3D printing and artificial intelligence can be used to create products that are not just stylish and customizable, but also kind to our planet. So it's clear to see that 3D printed furniture is not just about creating unique, personalized pieces. It's also about rethinking how we produce and consume and making choices that are better for our world. With 3D printed furniture, we're not just designing for our homes, we're designing for our future. Clearly, 3D printed furniture is a step towards a more sustainable future. It's a revolution in the making, and it's exciting to imagine where this technology will take us next. 3D printed furniture is not just about plastic or wood. The material possibilities are expanding every day. This is the exciting reality in the world of 3D printed furniture as we start exploring the use of advanced materials like metal and concrete. The idea of printing furniture from these materials might seem a little futuristic, but companies like Emerging Objects are already making this a reality. Emerging Objects, for instance, is pushing the boundaries of what's possible with 3D printing. They're creating stunning sculptural pieces out of concrete and metal that blur the line between furniture and art. It's not just about creating a chair or a table. It's about redefining what those objects can look like and how they can be made. Take metal, for example. Traditionally, working with metal requires a lot of energy, heavy machinery, and skilled labor. But with 3D printing, we can create intricate organic forms that would be impossible to achieve with traditional manufacturing methods. Imagine a metal bookshelf that looks like it was grown rather than built. That's the kind of innovation we're talking about. And then there's concrete. Who would have thought that this bulky, rigid material could be transformed into delicate, lace-like patterns? But with the precision of 3D printing and the creativity of AI design tools, we're seeing just that. A concrete coffee table with a delicate, lace-like pattern is no longer a flight of fancy, but a tangible reality. It's not just about the aesthetic appeal, though. These advanced materials are also incredibly durable, meaning that 3D printed furniture can stand the test of time. And because they can be sourced locally, they further reduce the carbon footprint of furniture production. But perhaps the most exciting thing about using these advanced materials is the potential for innovation. With AI and 3D printing, we can experiment with new forms, new textures, new ways of thinking about furniture. It's a playground for creativity, a space where the only limit is our imagination. With AI and 3D printing, we are witnessing a new era of creativity in furniture design. So, whether it's a metal bookshelf that looks like a piece of coral or a concrete table that resembles a piece of lace, the future of furniture is here, and it's more exciting than ever. But like any revolutionary technology, there are hurdles to overcome. When it comes to 3D printed furniture, two main challenges spring to mind: high costs and the complexity of 3D design software. Firstly, the price tag. Industrial-grade 3D printers don't come cheap, and neither do the materials used in the printing process. However, it's important to remember that this is a rapidly evolving field, and as the technology improves, we can anticipate prices to drop. In fact, we're already seeing this trend in action. Take the Decor 3D printer, for instance. It's a compact, user-friendly device that retails for less than $200, bringing 3D printing within reach of the average consumer. Moreover, companies are exploring ways to cut costs further. For instance, some are experimenting with using recycled or more affordable materials, which not only reduces the price, but also enhances the sustainability of the process. The second hurdle is the complexity of 3D design software. While the idea of designing your own furniture sounds exciting, it can be daunting for those without a background in design or technology, but here too, solutions are emerging. Artificial intelligence is playing a key role in making 3D design more accessible. Companies like OpenAI are developing AI-powered design tools that simplify the process. You just input your room dimensions, design preferences, and functional requirements, and the AI does the rest, generating a range of furniture options for you to choose from. Furthermore, educational resources are becoming more widely available. Online platforms offer tutorials and courses on 3D design, and many 3D printer manufacturers provide user guides and support to help newcomers get started. In conclusion, while the challenges are real, they're not insurmountable. With more affordable options emerging and software becoming more user-friendly, the world of 3D printed furniture is opening up. As technology advances, we can expect these barriers to lessen, making 3D printed furniture more accessible to everyone. So, what's the future of AI and 3D printed furniture? This question is no longer confined to the realms of science fiction or distant future. We are living in an age where this is becoming a reality. The intersection of artificial intelligence and 3D printing is transforming the way we design and create furniture for our homes, making custom, stylish pieces more accessible than ever. The key points we've explored today revolve around customization, sustainability, and creativity. Through companies like OpenAI, we see the power of AI in creating custom furniture tailored to individual preferences and spaces. By inputting your room dimensions, design preferences, and functional requirements, the AI generates a range of 3D printable furniture options to choose from. This allows for a level of personalization that goes beyond what's possible with traditional manufacturing. The sustainability factor is another significant advantage of 3D printed furniture. With companies like Forust leading the charge, we're witnessing a shift towards more eco-friendly production methods. By using recycled wood waste to print wood-like furniture, they're proving that sustainability and style can indeed go hand in hand. The use of advanced materials like metal and concrete, as seen with emerging objects, is pushing the boundaries of what's possible with 3D printing. The intricate organic forms created blur the line between furniture and art, redefining our perception of decor. There are, of course, challenges to be addressed. The cost of industrial-grade 3D printers and materials can be prohibitive, and the learning curve with 3D design software can be steep. However, as the technology improves and becomes more accessible, we can expect these barriers to lessen. Looking ahead, the future of AI and 3D printed furniture is incredibly exciting. As the technology continues to evolve, we can expect to see even more innovative designs, materials, and production methods. The possibilities are truly endless. As we've seen, AI and 3D printing are set to redefine the furniture industry, offering unique, sustainable, and creative solutions for our homes. So there you have it. A glimpse into the exciting world of AI-designed, 3D printed furniture. What do you think? Would you consider 3D printing your own custom decor? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe to the AI Waves channel for more content exploring the latest trends in artificial intelligence and design. Until next time, stay curious and keep innovating.